Hello, beautifuls, and welcome to Makeup Obsessed Monday, your new favorite day of the week. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you are notified every time we upload an episode. I don't know about you, beautifuls, but the beginning of a new year is always the time that I am looking to revamp or change little things. I'll leave those huge resolutions to someone else, but I'm looking for those little things I can change that will make a big difference. And beautifuls, today I'm going to share with you my 5 tips to make your skin look amazing by the end of the year. So if you want to know what my 5 commandments are for beautiful, healthy skin, then you need to keep watching. All right, beautifuls, I am going to give you 5 easy tips. That's right, 5 easy tips to make your skin look as amazing as it possibly can be. I like to call them Shanna's 5 commandments to amazing skin. So commandment number 1, are you ready? This is a holy grail. If you do nothing else on this list, you need to do this one. And it seems to always be the hardest. But beautifuls, you cannot sleep in your makeup. That is right. It doesn't matter how late the night is. It doesn't matter how tired you are. You need to take this makeup off, your makeup off at the end of every day. Even if it's just a quick makeup wipe to get most of it off as you're laying in bed or as you stumble into the bathroom, you need to remove your makeup. Your skin needs time to breathe. And when it's got makeup on it, it is not breathing. That's when your cell regeneration happens. That's when the turnover is for new skin. And if it is bogged down in makeup, it is not going to do what it needs to do while you rest. So never, ever, 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 ever sleep in your makeup. Commandment number 2. This for some will be a no-brainer, and for others, you're going to struggle with it. Wear sunscreen. Not just in July. Wear sunscreen. Those UVA and UVB rays are present year-round, whether it's January or July. You can actually burn at both times. I have personally burnt skiing. Not windburn, sunburnt. Skiing. I learned my lesson the hard way that February in Maine, I can still sunburn. Beautifuls, your skin takes a beating from these rays. And if you are protecting it with a daily SPF, your skin is going to age slower. That's right. You are going to age slower. Yes, please. I want to age slower. As the years add up, I want my skin to look like I'm 10, 15, 20 years younger than I really am. Commandment number 3. You need to hydrate. Your skin is part of your body, and your body is made up mostly of water. And if you are not hydrating, your skin is going to reflect it. It's going to look dull. It's going to look dry. It's going to look older, because when you are fully hydrated, that water saturates every cell of your body and it plumps them up. Think of a water balloon. Think of an unfilled and a filled water balloon. That plump cell is actually going to diminish fine lines and wrinkles. Now, that unfilled water balloon, that unfilled cell is not nearly as puffy, and it's going to accentuate those fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to make you appear older. So hydrate, whether that is with water, whether that is with flavored water, whether that is with seltzer water. Hydrate with some type of water. Now, this is sad for me to say. It grieves me greatly to say this. Coffee is not the same as water. I love my coffee. Probably a little too much, but I love my coffee. And coffee, if drank in excessive amounts, actually does the opposite, and it dehydrates you. So you're kind of going the wrong way down a one-way street. So coffee does not equal water. Actually, if you have more than 2 cups of coffee a day, you need to add to the amount of water that you are drinking. Commandment number 4. This is probably the easiest one to do. It's just getting in the habit of doing it. You need to moisturize your skin twice a day. You're going to moisturize in the morning and you're going to moisturize at night. And it's not necessarily going to be the same moisturizer. I use a lighter weight gel moisturizer first thing in the morning. My makeup lays better, my skin is less oily, and it just looks better throughout the day. At night, I tend to use a richer, creamier, more heavy moisturizer because I'm not going to be wearing my makeup to bed. So my skin can really absorb it all in. And beautifuls, you start doing this and your skin adjusts. Come morning, you're going to be like, my skin looks so good. You need to moisturize. If you don't moisturize and you're like, I can't imagine doing it twice a day or my skin can't handle it, pick one. Pick morning, pick night, but at least once a day. Work your way up to twice a day. Your skin will thank you. Last is commandment number 5. Let's recap. Commandment number 1, no makeup to bed. Not going to happen. Commandment number 2, you are going to wear sunscreen every day. Commandment number 3, you're going to drink your water. Commandment number 4 is you're going to moisturize that skin. And commandment number 5, you've done a great job of keeping your skin hydrated and healthy and allowing those cells to turn over. But if you don't get rid of the old dead cells, those new cells aren't going to be able to shine through at their best and brightest and most glorious. So you need to exfoliate. Once a week, pick a day of the week, have an exfoliator in your shower, make it part of your routine, but just a gentle exfoliator that will remove just the older skin cells. Because sometimes it needs a little help with it, especially in the wintertime. I tend to be drier in the wintertime, and I need to exfoliate 2, 3, sometimes 4 times a week, depending on how dry it is. Now, I do have a daily cleanser that I use in the shower that has a very fine, very gentle exfoliator built into it. I only deep exfoliate a few times a week. Beautifuls, play around and see what your skin can tolerate. Some of you, it might only be once a week. Some of you, it might be every other day. But exfoliate. All right, beautifuls, those are my 5 commandments for amazing skin for 2019. Start them now. Like hint, start them now. And then in December, when you're looking at your skin, like for the holiday season, you're going to be like, oh girl, I look good. Because you will. You need to take care of your skin. It's really the only one you have. And unless you want to pay like a little bit or a lot bit for plastic surgery, take care of it. You're never too young or too old to start taking care of your skin. If you have any questions about my 5 commandments for amazing skin, drop them in the comments below. Also, let me know, what are you using for a moisturizer? What are you using for an exfoliator? What is your favorite go-to sunscreen for winter and summer? Beautifuls, I am so glad you joined me this week for Makeup Obsessed Monday. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell, like right down there. Just click it. Just 1 second and just click. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new episode. I might tackle skincare. It might be makeup. It might be a product review. You never know. So you always want to be notified so that you can tune in. Until next week, beautifuls, be beautiful because you're the only you. Bye.